Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap for the day. This morning I traded Apple. Normally, with this setup, I would have traded a 15-minute opening range breakdown and it would have worked for me. But here in the last couple weeks, for some reason, my 15-minute opening range breakouts aren't working as well. So after this 15-minute candle closed as a bear candle and it looked weak at the open, it came back and tested the VWAP, and typically I would have went short about right here on the 1 minute chart because it rejected the VWAP and started making new lows. However, I took this as a long up through the VWAP, thinking I was watching it for the opening range breakdown, but then saw that it put up a double bottom, and this doji, that second bottom doji candle right here, started making new highs to push up through the VWAP. And there were wicks to the downside on the 5-minute candles as well. So I took a very small partial at this 20 moving average on the 1 minute chart. Then as it reached the VWAP, I took a 50% partial, and then it came back and stopped me out. And I kind of kicked myself for not actually trading the strategy that I really love to trade after 15 minutes after the open. And then I traded ROKU as a double top on the 1 minute. It was very, very strong, so I did hesitate a little bit taking this to the short side, but the pattern was really there. So as you can see on the 5 minute, there was a shooting star candle right before my entry, and it closed below the VWAP. On the 1 minute, there was a nice double top, and the second peak couldn't get quite as high as the first. And on the 2 minute, once it failed to make a new high and it started trying to push up through the VWAP, I saw that it looked very weak. So that is when I went short, when I saw that it was failing the VWAP. I took a small partial at the 50 moving average on the 1 minute, and then I took another partial here. It was kind of intended for this 20 moving average on the 5 minute. But I took a 10% partial first, then 25% of my remaining position. And then when it actually did reach the 20 moving average on the 5 minute and the 100 moving average, I partialed 50% of my remaining shares because this was a strong stock and I didn't know if it was going to turn around. But my stop, the risk to reward was pretty good on this. My stop was above the moving averages on the 1 minute chart and above the VWAP. And then it came back and stopped me out to the penny and then went down for a really nice move. So I left a lot of money on the table with this trade. My kids are home today on fall break, so I only traded a couple times today, and I am going to go and enjoy the rest of my day with them. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.